First time mo ba sa gym? Or first time mo ba magbuhat ng weights? If so, this video is for you. Let's go! What's good, YouTube? Welcome back sa channel, Jacob Alava. And today's video is going to be about weight training 101 para sa mga beginner or sa mga hindi pa nagbubuhat ng weights ever. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. My name is Jacob. I'm an online coach. And this channel is mostly about fitness, health, and lifestyle and self-development. So hit that subscribe button and let's get to the video. First up, congratulations for taking the leap to even considering lifting weights. Kasi guys, maraming nai-intimidate sa weightlifting. And I don't blame you guys kasi marami namang reasons kung bakit naka-intimidate magbuhat or naka-intimidate pumunta ng gym. For one, yung gym, well, it's not really the friendliest place to be. Lalo na kung may mga bodybuilder doon na malalaki, nagbubuhat, na nag-grunt, diba? It's very intimidating. Lifting weights in itself is also intimidating. What if mabagsakan ako ng weight? What if hindi ko kaya? What if magmukha akong tanga? Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa ko. So I'm gonna share with you guys 8 personal tips of mine kung paano kayo magsisimula sa weight training journey nyo. So for the first tip, don't try to do too much too soon. Okay? Kailangan mo intindihin na this is going to be new stimulus para sa katawan mo. So, hindi sanay yung katawan mo sa gagawin mo. Just like anything in life, magiging beginner tayo lahat if it's relatively new para sa atin. No? So, pagdating sa weightlifting, kailangan dahan-dahanin nyo. Kasi, yung muscles nyo, hindi sanay yan sa stress na ma-experience niya once mag-start siya magbuhat ng weights. Kahit na gaano pa kagaan yan, hindi sanay yung muscle mo. Ang pinaka-advice ko is to start slow and to practice basic movements na magaan. As much as possible, kung bagong-bago kayo, maganda kung mga nasa 3 to 4 times ka lang mag-gym in a week kasi kailangan ng body mo mag-recover. Tip number 2, and this is very, very important, is to look for a personal trainer. Ang importance kasi ng personal trainer, guys, is to teach you the proper form and the technique to execute these exercises. I would advise na kumuha kayo ng trainer na talagang makakapagtutok sa'yo. Kailangan mag-research ka rin dun sa personal trainer na kukunin mo. Marami kasi ako nakikita ang personal trainer, mali na nga yung form na ginagawa ng client niya. Wala pa siyang pake kasi nagte-text lang siya or nasa cellphone lang, nasasabihin lang niya, oh sige, gawin mo lang yan. Maraming ganun, guys. Ang dami kong nakikita ganyan. So, ang pwede mong gawin is maghanap ka ng credible personal trainer na talagang alam niya yung ginagawa niya. Tsaka try that trainer out. Pwede ka naman mag-try ng 1 session or 2 sessions or a few sessions bago ka mag-commit sa kanya long term. Again, ang main goal ng personal trainer is to help you with your form para hindi ka ma-injure. Yun talaga ang trabaho niya. So make the investment, get a good personal trainer, and master the basics. Hindi mo naman kailangan ng personal trainer all throughout your lifting life, pero maganda kung matutunan mo na lahat ng basics bago ka mag-solo. For tip number 3, try to avoid working out one muscle group per day. Kung beginner ka, hindi kaya ng isang muscle mo lahat ng volume in a day. So for example, yung mga old school bodybuilding training styles na bombahin mo yung chest mo na sobrang daming workouts, hindi mo kaya yun. Realistically, sabihin nga natin magawa mo, hindi siya optimal kasi yung recovery mo matatamaan din sa ganun. So maganda kung makapag-gym ka at least mga 3 or 4 times, or kung hindi masyadong masakit yung katawan, 3 to 4 days na yun, pwede ka mag-upper, lower, or full body pag 3 days. Kasi ang goal mo is to target all your muscle groups more than once per week. And kaya natin siya ginagawa ng 3 to 4 days para maka-recover ka in between. When you are a beginner, sobrang sasakit talaga katawan nyo and kailangan nyo yung recovery na yan. I'm telling you guys. Try a 3 to 4 day program targeting all your muscle groups 2 times per week. As you progress, pag gumaling ka and mas nagiging advanced ka, yan, pwede mo nang laro-laruin yung split mo or yung training frequency kung ilang beses ka mag-gym or kung ilang workouts ilalagay mo. Tip number 4 is to try to build your muscles up to a point na kaya na niya mag-compound lifts. Ano ang mga compound lifts? Ito yung mga bench press, squats, deadlifts, overhead press, and barbell row. Important tong mga exercises na to if your goal is to grow and to get stronger. Kasi multi-joint exercises ang definition ng compound exercises. Basically, you are targeting multiple muscles for one movement. So for example, a bench press. Pag nagpa-press ka, may kasamang chest yon, may kasamang konting shoulders yon, and may triceps yon. So 3 muscles with one movement. Same with the other exercises. Pag beginner na beginner ka talaga, mahirap and nakaka-intimidate gawin itong mga compound lifts. Start ka muna with machines or cables. Once mas comfortable ka na, pwede ka na mag-start kahit barbell lang na wala pang weight. Over time, pwede ka na mag-add ng weight konti. Tip number 5 is to understand kung ano yung muscles na ta-target ng exercise na yun and to focus on that. So for example, kung nagbe-bench press ka, tapos di mo masyadong nararamdaman sa chest, puro shoulder, then you are doing it wrong. Ito yung tinatawag nating mind-muscle connection. And matututunan mo to over time. Gagaling ka over time. Diba? Just like anything, practice makes perfect. So don't expect na makukuha mo siya kaagad the first try. So kung may certain exercise kang hindi nararamdaman, sinabi ko kanina, kuha ka ng trainer or pwede mong ibahin yung posture mo, also pwede ka rin mag-focus on the targeted muscle. Kasi minsan, pag beginner, napapansin ko, nagbubuhat lang sila para ma-execute yung movement. You really have to focus on the muscle na tina-target mo. For example, nagba-bicep curl ka, wag lang yung execute ka ng bicep curl. Kailangan talaga na-feel mo yung biceps mo na gumagana during the movement. If matutunan mo tong mga things na to kagad, mas mabilis yung progress mo versus kung hindi ka nagfo-focus dun sa targeted muscle and kung ano-ano lang ginagawa mo. Tip number 6, sasakit katawan mo. Siyempre kasi first time mo, sasakit talaga yan. Those are called DUMBBELS or delayed onset muscular soreness. Basically, yan yung parang hindi mo magalaw yung katawan mo kasi sobrang sore kasi ginamit mo yung muscles during the workout. So usually yan yung mga the day after or 2 days after. Now, kailangan mo lang tanggapin yung fact na magkakaroon talaga na ganyan. Tsaka, you just have to recover. Kaya yung workout days natin, 3 days and 4 days, para maka-recover ka in between each session. Since pinag-usapan natin ng DUMBBELS, hindi ibig sabihin, hindi sumasakit yung katawan mo, hindi ka na nagpo-progress. Tip number 7, when it comes to strength training or weight training, importante rin yung mga ginagawa mo outside the gym. So one is your nutrition and second is your sleep. So when it comes to nutrition, marami akong videos about that. Link ko sila dito. Importante dyan yung pre-workout meal mo and yung post-workout meal mo. Yung pre-workout meal mo kasi, yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng energy to perform or to execute the exercises. Yung post-workout meal mo naman, yan yung usually mag-repair and mag-replenish ng lost glycogen ng muscles mo. So, important tong mga to. Second is your sleep. Itong sleep kasi, usually taken for granted yan. Okay, nagbuhat naman ako, okay na yan. So, magpupuyat siya, or hindi quality yung sleep, or mga 5 hours lang natutulog. If you really want to recover and progress as fast as possible, kailangan pina-factor in mo rin yung quality of sleep and recovery mo. So, for tip number 8, kunwari, mas consistent ka na, regular gym goer ka na, familiar ka na sa certain exercises, sa lifts, in order for you to progress, there is this thing called progressive overload. You try to make the workouts more challenging the next time around. For example, the next few weeks, papahirapan mo yung workouts mo. So I have an entire video on progressive overload if you want to know more. Pero to break it down simply, this is to make workouts more challenging. The most obvious example is to, syempre, bibigatan mo yung weights na binubuhat mo. Number 2 is, pwede mong bagalan yung rep ranges mo. Number 3 is, pwede mong damihan yung rep ranges mo. Number 4, pwede mong damihan yung sets mo. So, if you want to know more about progressive overload, check out that video. So, simple tips, 8 tips to get you started kung beginner kayo, first time entering the gym or first time lifting weights. Again, I want to congratulate you for taking the first step. Kasi yun yung pinamahirap. The first lift, the first time you walk into the gym, the intimidation and everything. But hopefully nakatulong tong video na to para sa inyo. If you enjoy this type of content, please leave me a like. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell para updated kayo sa newest videos natin. With that being said, my name is Jacob and thank you. Hope you learned a lot and see you guys in the next video.